Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thanks for joining us. Please stay watching. We have a fascinating news topic from the world of biotech to follow. Can CRISPR-CAS9 gene editing climate-proof our Earth's crops? 2020 saw an increased focus on biotech stocks, with gene editing companies also making some big gains through the push towards fighting rare viruses and disease. NASDAQ saw an increase of 170% from 2018 in gene editing stocks, and the S&P 500 also saw gains of up to 54%. These stocks are usually in the mid-cap range, and due to the number of intangible assets, we should be cautious of overvaluations. The technology is very new and makes for a high-risk investment with big swings. This type of investment should be monitored and entered into with precision. Intellia Therapeutics saw the largest increase of 35% on the NASDAQ year over year, and Vertex Pharma saw the most losses with a decline of 10% reported year to date. Scientists have been impressed with the speed, safety and accuracy gene editing technologies provides. It is no secret that manipulating plants' DNA has evolved with conventional farming technologies and has been in use for millennia. As our climate becomes harsher with colder winters and warmer summers, we need to climate-proof our crops. So companies like Novartis, Adidas Medicine, CRISPR Technologies, Intellia Therapeutics and Sangamo Biosciences are at the forefront. Biogene editing using CRISPR-CAS9 technology that was discovered in 2012 by a team of scientists including Jennifer Doudna is a form of gene splicing involving making cuts in DNA, allowing natural repair processes to take over. With this technology, it is possible to remove whole strings of DNA, which could help in the fight against genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis. In a landmark decision, gene editing has been deregulated in Australia on the basis that it is different from genetically modified organisms or GMO technology. Gene editing crop technology does require the information about the diversity seen in a species from the wild varieties that may be found in the environment. Although gene-edited crops are not yet grown in Australia, the Office of the Gene Technology Regulator is conducting research into biosecurity and safety risks of this type of technology. So keep an eye for news surrounding this subject and how it affects the stock price of the biotech companies involved with this technology, and please consider your own financial objectives and situation before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us. Sage here reporting for Kalkine Media.